Have you ever paused just to reflect on the world around you? The sky above, the earth beneath, the trees, the rivers, the mountains. Every part of the nature is a sign from Allah. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, in creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, a sign for those of understanding." Every breeze that blows, every drop of rain, every grain of sand is a sign from Allah calling us back to Him. Nature teaches us about His power, His greatness, and His mercy. So let us pause, breathe, and reflect. Let the beauty of nature bring us closer to Allah, increase our gratitude, and remind us of the day when the earth itself will testify. Protect it, preserve it, and appreciate